Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time. Today I'm showing you guys how to create this pink and purple half cut crease. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then let's get started. I'm starting off with Beats Me and slowly working that into my crease, and then I'm going to lightly blend out the edges before moving on to my next step. Now I'm going in with Bikini and placing that above the purple, and I'm going to blend that out. Next I'm going in with Deep Plum, and this is going to help me blend out the black that I'm going to place in my crease next. So I'm just blending that into my crease, and then I'm going to blend the black into my crease as well. I'm using my Makeup Revolution concealer to cut my crease, and I'm carving it out slightly above my actual crease. And then I'm going in with the shade Pillow and placing that all over my lid, and then I'm going back in with the colors in my crease and blending them in at the edges of my cut crease. To finish off the eyes, I'm just going in with the same colors in my crease under my eyes, and then I'm going to place a purple pressed pigment in my inner corner. Now I'm just doing my lips, and that's pretty much the end of this video, guys. Please let me know what you think in the comment section below, and if anyone wants to recreate this look, please tag me. I'd really like to see what you guys come up with. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys.